There is one relative question to this topic. Before we dive into the single page application concept, let's talk about what is a multi-page application. In multi-page application, when a client request is made, for example, you have a site amazon.com which has products collection, and now let's say there is a URL product1.html. The product1.html is built or rendered on the server with the data, and it is delivered to the client for the browser to render further. When the URL changes, for example, product2.html, it loses all the current states, and now the browser has to do a new request and response cycle and will render the entire page again. This also means on every URL change, the page reloading is not a good experience for the user. Now in the single page application, the HTML page is loaded only once and it does not change at a later stage unless you want to. It receives the data from the server and renders at the client side, that is in the browser. It means now the HTML is generated only once at the client side, and on each URL change, it transmits the data back and forth instead of fetching the HTML from the server, and that gives a very smooth transition of pages and content. To create a single page application in React, we have to use React Router, which is a third-party library or a package we need, as React itself is a UI library which does not have its own router package like Angular. So let's learn and make a single page application in the forthcoming sections. So now let's talk about a relative question, that is, what is the difference between MPA, that is multi-page application, and SPA, that is single page application. Well, we have already seen this, but in simple words, MPAs reload the HTML pages. Basically, in case of MPA, the HTML pages with CSS and other things are rendered on the server and then they are delivered. Again, they are reloaded at the client, they are re-rendered at the client side as well. So the refresh of the page is very much visible to the end user. Whereas single page application loads the page once and then only it transmits the data between client and server. So this transmission of data basically does not refresh the entire page. The main container remains as it is, and the data and the inner pages appears as if they change, but they actually are generated at the client side only.